Welcome to another exciting episode of Again a Review, and today our web series is Dark Season 3, the masterpiece science fiction. And if you've already watched Season 1 and 2, you don't even need a review. You already know that what you're going to get in the Season 3. However, just to make sure that if you are watching this series, I'll tell you some key points and what are the twists and turns that you'll be looking for. And of course, we will be discussing about the story, the direction, performances and watchable. Just a brief about the story. In the season 2, the ending episode, you must have seen young Jonas is met by another version of Martha, and in a conversation she explains that she is not from another timeline but from another world, which is the parallel universe, like the multiverse. We have seen multiverse and parallel universes in many of the movies. Now it's an old concept, but how you present it with the screenplay, with the actors and with the aroma, that's how it makes a difference for a web series. Season 3 starts where Jonas and the alternate dimension Martha travels back to the parallel universe, and here is the story where Jonas was never born. The dimension deals in 2019 where Hannah is pregnant and she is married to Ulrich. This season also tells you the story of Adam who has been the driving force for all the characters. They will tell the origin of Adam as well, and how Noah and Adam met together to create this chaos. And there is a very interesting episode which is called Between the Time. That episode explains a lot of things. The episode is more focused on H.G. Tannis. He explains the Schrodinger's cat paradox as well. Two balancing sequences of event, how nature or how time or how dimension theory balances each other out. To understand this particular episode, please read about the facts, Schrodinger's cat paradox. That will help you to understand the episode and the web series more clearly. And there is an important thing which is mentioned in this series is that Saint Christopher's pendant, which is like a snake eating his own tail. That is also symbolic and it represents life cycle. The beginning is the end. That is all about the series from Dark. And very interestingly, I would say that the last episode of the series is quite slow, but that's more fulfilling and gives a satisfaction to the audience who have already watched season 1 and 2 and then 3, coming to a conclusion that this series is not unlike the other web series which will keep on pulling for season 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. This is not going to happen because the makers have also announced that the season 3 is going to be the last installment of this web series. Now we'll talk about the direction. This has been co-created by Baran Bo-Odar and Janse Frisi. Most of the episodes are directed by Baran Odar and Janse Frisi themselves. So rather than hiring a director, they decided to direct themselves. Both the creators have a nice grip upon the script, and I would say they have done a fabulous job. And this is the most anticipated science fiction web series in the all times. So I would give a thumbs up to both the makers for creating such a wonderful chaos, yet interesting and yet thrilling. Now talking about the performances, this stars Louis Hoffman, who plays Jonas Kahnwald, the younger version, and he has done an amazing job. Then we have Andreas Pitchman, who plays the adult version of Jonas, and he is a very good actor. He possesses in the scenes where there are no dialogues and he's standing still. Then we have Lisa Vicari, who plays Martha Neeson, is also a fabulous actress and done best and justice to her role. Rest all small actors have also played very well. So I would say performances are 100% genuine and authentic. The last thing and very important, which is watchable. I would say 95% it is watchable. So there is not even a doubt that we should watch Dark Season 3 because it's one of the masterpieces of our times. This would be all from our side, and thank you so much for supporting independent content makers like us. Keep supporting us so that we can bring more exciting videos for you. And if you've already liked this video, please press the bell icon, hit the subscription button so the next time onwards we can notify you whenever we are releasing a new episode. Till the time, take care, bye bye. You can watch our latest video as well. Go to the description box, you will see a lot of links to other videos. and also on your screen there are some links flashing upon, so you can click there and watch the videos as well. There are also some exciting videos which you will enjoy. Till the time, bye bye.